Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to measure distance in Onshape. So basically what you'll need to do is take your mouse and select on the two parts of the model that you are doing or designing. So basically what you'll need to do is, let's say I want to measure this width. So what I will need to do is just click on this line and that other line, and right here you'll see show measure details. Click on that one and you'll see length is 58 millimeters. You can change the length units to meters, foot, inches, or centimeters, and measure type to show all, center position, and all of that. So that's how you use measure tool. Let's say I want to measure the radius, and as you can see, it is 66 millimeters. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.